But this actually brings me, I guess the last question was the final one, but this is actually the final one. The current climate that we're in right now, just in the United States and kind of around the world, we're seeing a huge backlash against social media for enabling violence, enabling the spread of fake news. And I think we finally kind of hit a tipping point where people are starting to become disgusted with social media. Does that have, or will that in the future have an impact on people leaving Facebook altogether? Not just Facebook gaming, but just completely leaving the platform.
Perrin.
In the US?
Everywhere.
Possibly. I think internationally, Facebook is huge and it's not going to stop being huge. And for some countries, Facebook gaming live streaming is the only option, or one of the only options, or is the best option. And I think you're gonna see internationally for certain countries, especially Eastern Asian areas, Facebook gaming being a huge player. For others like the US, I think it's gonna struggle, very much so. Facebook, even though it's a US company, has a much more negative kind of disposition or viewpoint here now, and I only see that increasing, at least in the US over time.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.